What up, boys and girls? It has been a minute again, but we are back with another video. Some of you already know we added an R7 to the garage, and today we're going to be doing some custom fairings for this beautiful bike. So I'm not going to waste a whole lot of time. Let's hop into unboxing these fairings, and huge shout out to Monster Fairings. Look at this design. Cannot wait to see these on the bike. On top of the fairings, we got a couple other things. So we're going to be doing the TST Industries flush turn signals. Right now it's got the NRC, which looks nice, but I just don't really like how they come out. I'd rather them flush. And the TST ones have a halo in them as well. So nice little lighting effect. I mean, a much cleaner look. You go perfect with the new fairings. But yeah, let's get these things unboxed. So far, they look incredible. The paint is super smooth. It's kind of hard to see in the garage lighting. There we go. It's a little bit of a better representation of the color. Beautiful flake in the black and the teal, which is hard to see here, but once we're done, we'll get this thing in the sunlight. Purple on here is beautiful. Look at this new design. Everything's unboxed. Everything looks absolutely incredible. Quality of the paint is mind-blowing, honestly. I mean, these fairings feel just as good as OEM. Huge shout out to Monster Fairings. I'll put my discount code on the screen. If you guys need fairings for your bike, you can save some money. After we get everything installed, I'm also gonna ceramic coat this. Man, the camera is not doing these fairings justice. In person, this looks incredible. But yeah, let's get all these fairings off the bike, get the new ones on, and let's see how she looks. Alright guys, so about halfway into the install process, I completely lost my motivation to record. So I got a few shots assembling the bike, but there are a few areas that were tricky that I just want to give you a heads up on. So the tank cover here, in case you weren't aware or didn't see in the video, this is 3 separate pieces, and connecting the side pieces was a little bit tricky. What I found worked was clipping at the bottom first and then clipping the rest of the way up. And it's a pretty loud snap when it does get together. So when you do get it right, I mean, the line is perfect. It is a really, really tight hold. If you don't got it clipped in all the way, you'll see huge gaps. But yeah, it's a loud snap when you actually do get them clicked in. These I gotta order some new emblems for it. Another thing, the tail here. So this little plastic piece in the middle, for the bracket for the like race tail portion of it, I would have to cut a good amount from the sides of it. So yeah, I'm kind of figuring that out. I might just, I guess, cut the stock one and get that to fit. But otherwise, yeah, there's really no way to fit that. Looks good with the passenger seat too, though. The TST turn signals were actually super easy to install. Man, they look incredible. Just a lot more flush, a lot more aggressive looking. Man, I cannot believe how good this thing looks. It turned out incredible. This teal, I mean, speaks for itself. And the livery, I mean, just gives the bike a lot more aggression. shows off the lines a little bit better or accentuates them. But I cannot be happier with how this thing turned out. I know my wife is happy. I mean, just absolutely beautiful. Quality of the paint is incredible. Yeah, I mean, Monster Fairings absolutely killed it with this. Again, I'll put my code and a link in the description. It's just JDLMOTO. That'll save you some money if you do need order fairings for your bike. Thank you guys for watching. Catch you in the next one.